In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page where the main navigation menu is located. This is where you'll find the settings and financial tools needed to connect your payment processor. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where Ownerrez lets you manage account-wide configurations. Since PayPal is a payment option, the next place you need to look is the Financial section. Take a moment to find Financial in the Settings menu, and then open the Payment Methods page. This is where Ownerrez stores and manages the ways you accept payments from guests. Once you're on the Payment Methods screen, look for the option labeled Connect PayPal and click it. This begins the linking process between your Ownerrez account and your PayPal account. After that, you'll see a button that says Proceed to PayPal. Go ahead and click that to continue. At this point, you'll be redirected to PayPal. This is normal since PayPal needs you to verify and authorize the connection directly on their side. When prompted, enter your PayPal email address. Be sure to use the correct email associated with the PayPal account you want to connect for payments in Ownerrez. After entering your email, continue by following the prompts on the screen. PayPal may ask you to sign in, confirm your account details, review permissions, or approve the connection with Ownerrez. Just carefully read each screen as you go so you understand what is being authorized. This part is important because it ensures Ownerrez can properly work with your PayPal account for payment processing. As you complete the prompts, PayPal should finalize the connection and return you to Ownerrez or display a confirmation that the setup is complete. If anything looks unclear during the authorization process, it's a good idea to pause and review the information before continuing, especially when confirming permissions. And that's it. By navigating through Settings, opening Financial, selecting Payment Methods, choosing Connect PayPal, proceeding to PayPal, entering your PayPal email, and following the on-screen prompts, you can successfully connect PayPal in Ownerrez. Once connected, you'll be one step closer to streamlining your payment setup and making it easier to manage transactions directly through your account.